Andy, 3-1 victory. The good run of form continues. Satisfactory start to the second phase.
Yeah. Listen, we're not looking at it as a second phase. We're just trying to keep the momentum going where we've been over this last 6-7 weeks. Top performances. Another good performance tonight. I thought we kind of dominated the game tonight and should have potentially scored a couple more goals. And but just pleased to, as you say, get another 3 points.
We knew it was going to be a tough game, obviously, and don't forget the previous we've had this season. It's been difficult at times, obviously, for the boys. They picked up a bad habit, losing games. But tonight, they're so proud of them, what they give, what they've shown. Considering we've had one session on the training pitch, they took a lot of the information on board and transferred it into the performance. All right, the result, I think, could have been prevented because there were mistakes that we made and gifted them. But no, overall, the boys, they couldn't have given any more.
It's tight in the bottom six, but with that win tonight, you're equal on points with Cardiff Met, just a goal between you and them in 7th place. You've taken a team into Europe through the playoffs before. That must be the aim again.
So we're just worrying about what comes next against Haverfordwest, and that's it. Our only thought at this moment in time is to get as many points on the board as quickly as we possibly can to survive and make sure we earn next year. So that's the approach, and that's what we'll be thinking about in 2 weeks' time.
You've come in as an interim manager until the end of the season.
Yeah.
I know in an ideal world that you'd want to keep Llanelli up, but with being so far behind, realistically, is your remit really to rebuild for next season?
Yes, as I said, every game's a learning game. Long term, we're looking for somebody to take the club back to the next level, which is back up to this league, if we do go down, which it looks that way. But no, we're going to treat every game as it's the last in the Welsh Prem and give it 100% and hopefully take a few scalps on the way, we hope. But overall, it's going to be a great learning end of season for the boys.